Hello, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video, we will see tail suspension test. What is the procedure and how we can do that? You can see in the video. I'm started the video, and in that we will first see what is the step by the procedure. So here how the test is performed. First, place a healthy mouse or rat inside the chamber. Attach the tail gently. Tap the tail near its tip and secure it to the suspension. Suspense and observe. The animal is suspended in the air, unable to reach the wall or floor. Its struggle and immobility are recorded for about 6 minutes. Analyze the data. Finally, measure the total immobility time to assess the level of despair-like behaviors and impact of any treatment. So this was the procedure, and we will see now. Experiment is started here. You can see in the video. So we will see the how we can introduce experiment. The tail suspension test or TST is commonly used to evaluate the potential antidepressant effect of the drug or other interventions. It works on the principle that when suspended by their tails, rodents will initially struggle to escape but eventually show immobility, which is interpreted as behavioral despair. So now we will see what is the component of this apparatus. So you can see here the main chamber of the test apparatus, a small three-sided chamber or multiple compartment prevent the animals from touching the wall or escape while suspended. Suspension point, a hook or attach point, sometimes automated, is fixed at the top of the enclosure to hold the animal's tail securely. Strong non-damaging tape is required for this type of hanging the animals on the hook. Such as medical tape you can use here is used to attach the tail to hook the safely. Medical tape will be safe, and because it has already practiced to stick to the skin. So medical tapes are formed in such a way that they can easily stick to the skin. So it will be easy to suspend the animals on the hook. So optional automations. Modern setup may include cameras and software for automated tracking and precise data analyzing. So while the animals will immobile, you can see here it is showing immobile period. So that period it is already recording. So each and every animals in all compartment, by software you can easily track their immobile time out of 6 minutes. So you can easily track it is now. You can easily decide the drug has effect or not. If it is showing immobile time, so it is already depressed, and it is showing activeness, so it is not depressed. So this is how you can judge. Purpose and principle of this experiment. Tail suspension test is a widely used behavioral assay to model depressions like behavior. The main outcome of is the duration of immobility. Longer immobility suggests the greater behavioral despair, and whereas the reduction indicates antidepressants like effect of a treatment. Now we will see the key consideration point. Use a suitable background for clear visibility. For example, a dark background for the albino animals. If you are using here C57s, you need a white background. Mouse. And for rat, white rat, you need black background. So likewise you have to manage. multiple component enclosures allow testing of multiple animals at once, increases the efficiency. So while you conducting one by one each for one animals all the experiments, it takes long time and you get bored also. So you need to develop or fabricate that kind of instrument. It has already 3 to 4 compartment at least. Automated tracking system help minimize the observer bias and improve the data accuracy. So while you use software or tracking software, it will easily automatically it will record the immobilized times. If you are not using any instruments, you have to see that. You have to gaze each and every animals very carefully, and while you are using multiple compartment enclosures, it is impossible to manage to see each and every animals at once. So automated tracking system is necessary. The tail suspension test remains fundamental tools in behavioral research, helping scientists develop and test new antidepressant treatments. Always ensure ethical practices and proper care for animals throughout the procedures. And one more point I want to say: how to attach the tape to the animals. I have already procedure for that, because it is very difficult while you attach the animals to the hook. It is not stable. Sometimes it get detach from between the experiments. So you need a perfect solution. For that I have solution. If you want, please do comment. I will give you solution for that by making new video for that. Thank you for watching. For more protocols and research insights, don't forget to subscribe our channels and stay connected. Thank you very much.